So, Deezy, I want to do something with you. I did this with Joshua Jake and Blockchain Boy, and I basically, I go to Coin Marketcap and I just scroll through, and you just tell me what, think out loud. Think, what looks good, what you're bullish on, what looks like dog shit, wherever you see opportunity. And what was interesting when Joshua Jake and I did it, we both kind of landed on Matic and Chainlink, and that was literally a week before Chainlink pumped like 50%, and Matic pumped like. And I know you're super bullish on, I believe, both those projects, but I'm gonna share my screen, and let's just kind of look at it and just kind of like give us the 100-foot view. What you're seeing. I mean, I know ETH's pumping pretty. I guess with that spot ETF news coming out on ETH.
Yeah, ETH is pumping off that, and not only that, we got a pretty strong rejection for Bitcoin. It got really, really close to 38,000. Well, we didn't see the same rejection with Ethereum. It kind of got pushed up above 2,000, and then it turned 2,000 into a little bit of support. So been a little bit more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin in the short term. And I might try to pull up a chart. I've been looking at this ETH Bitcoin trading pair, and it will shock you when I show you this trend line. Because in crypto, trend lines don't go really back that far most of the time. At best, you might catch a 2017 trend line with the top. XRP has that trend line where you can see it falling from 2017, 2014, 2017. You just see a sharp decline. But there's a trend line in ETH Bitcoin that goes back to 2016. That is almost an unheard of time. So I'll look to share my screen in a little bit. What is you got under settings here? Present.
Yeah, present, share your screen, and let's check that out.
All right, let me find, yep, we got it right here. All right, I'm sharing. Maybe, no, that's the wrong trading view. Hold on, I'll figure it out in a second. Wrong trading. Hey, I'm a degen, folks. I have more than one trading view. If you don't have more than one trading view, are you really even trading here?
Damn, all right, so, I'm a noob, man. I only got one, I think.
How dare you? How dare you? All right, ETH Bitcoin. Here we go. Now we got the right one. All right, you can see it now?
Yep.
All right, this trend line right here, you can see this. This is the weekly chart on ETH Bitcoin, and you can see the peak of March 2016. Then it acted as support as we started getting to the more bullish range for Bitcoin, and then ETH was off to the races. That's the Bitcoin blow off top, turns it into support again. You see a little bit of action right there. Then is resistance. You can see resistance, access support, access support. I have a prediction it's going to act as support. If it falls through, boys, it's going to be a bloodbath for ETH. But if we go to the shorter time frames, maybe we go the daily here, you see, look at that bounce, folks. That is a perfect bounce off this 2016 trend line.
And so that's from 2016.
This line right here, yeah, it's the 2016. And this is the daily chart. So this is it bouncing the 23rd of October. It looks like this is really volatile price action today. I actually got to extend it out a little bit, folks. You can see I have it ending there. So yeah, watch this point, but I'm expecting ETH to bounce essentially. So I'm really bullish on ETH in the short term. Can we go back to your little coin market cap? So
yeah.
I'm a buyer of ETH. It's one of the last 2 or 3 coins that I bought actually.
Yeah, it seems like ETH's like not really like a sexy pick going into this cycle, but I think with the regulatory clarity, like there really couldn't, besides Bitcoin, there really probably wouldn't be a safer coin than ETH, and I think it will surprise some people. But what's up, Chasen, man? Appreciate you tuning in.
Yeah, what's going on, Chasen? Yeah, ETH is the one you want to give your family at Thanksgiving. Don't give them Coin Market Cap 436. Don't give them the $3 million market cap. Give them something a little bit safer, and so they'll feel a little bit better with ETH. If there's a really bad red candle day, and say it happened 6 months after Thanksgiving, they're probably going to be okay. Versus that meme coin, that altcoin, you might see like an 80% drawdown in 1 month. You don't want them calling you and say, "Why that $500 I put in there only $130?"
Yeah, don't recommend your family meme coins, y'all. It won't make for a good Thanksgiving, trust me. Now, Deezy, Cardano's jumping out at me because you just put out a video, the lies about Cardano exposed. Awesome video, by the way. And it just seems that maybe I'm wrong, guys. Maybe I'm in the wrong circles, but it seems like Cardano is one of the coins that's kind of being forgotten about this cycle, slept on. Maybe it would be the right word. And the way my lizard brain works is that when I'm seeing that narrative happen, something's being swept under the rug, forgotten about, that's usually where the opportunity is. So are we thinking Cardano at 35 cents is a good opportunity?
Yeah, in that video, I predict probably 20x for Cardano from these levels. Now, I wouldn't have said that at 39 cents, but we now pull back to 35, correct?
Yeah, 35 cents. Yep.
35 cents. So 33 cents, 20x, you're looking at a $7, right under a $7. 35 cents, yeah, you're looking right at $7 Cardano. $7 Cardano is going to be a little bit above a 2x, but Cardano's tokenomics is better than a lot of tokens out there. There is an inflated supply. Right now, the inflation rate is, I want to say it's roughly 3.5%. Back then, maybe it was around 5%. So, yeah, there's going to be some more tokens circulating versus the 2021 high of $3.09. It's not going to be as bad as a lot of these tokens. Some of these tokens, you look, 10 million tokens at the previous all-time high in 2021. You're like, well, what are the tokenomics now? 180 million tokens. And you're like, whoa, 18x on the supply? Cardano's nowhere near those levels. I don't think it's going to give you 100x or 50x, but I think if you time the top, you can catch a 20x here.
Yeah, and it's where we're seeing it ranked in Coin Marketcap as the 8th highest cryptocurrency. I really feel safe, with my money in Cardano. I remember I was gonna buy a little Safe Moon as like a gamble, and it's the other steps of swapping it, where you had to get the BNB token. I'm like, screw all of this. So my laziness actually is one of my best investing attributes.